To replace the idler pulley in your snowblower, use a 3/8" socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 mounting screws to release the belt cover. Use pliers to detach the idler arm spring and clip. Use a 9/16" wrench to secure the nut and a 9/16" socket to unthread the bolt to release the old pulley. Install the new idler pulley by first inserting the bolt. Then align the nut behind the arm and thread the bolt into the nut to secure. Confirm the pulley is positioned on the auger drive belt. Then reposition the idler spring clip in the frame. Attach the spring to the clip and the idler arm. Replace the belt cover and secure it with the screws. Your snowblower should now be ready for use.